Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you this recipe called chicken enchilada. So for this dish I'm going to use the chicken upper thigh, and I have here 3 pieces, as you can see, quite big. You can use, if you want, chicken breast, it's up to you. Also a red hot pepper, a few garlic cloves, 2 small onions. I have here peppers, sweet ones, full of color but mostly taste. You can use whatever kind of pepper you have, green one or just the red kind. Anyhow, it will be good in this dish. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a few tomatoes from the can, and I have here tomatoes without the peel, but if you have a diced one, even better. Some beans, 50 milliliters of white wine, cumin seeds, pepper, salt, and fresh parsley. I will remove the bone and the skin from the meat. Remove any tough parts, any cartilage or any bone. And after that I'm going to cut the meat in smaller pieces. And proceed in the same way with the rest of the chicken thighs. Add salt and pepper over the meat and let it aside for a few minutes. Start preparing now the vegetable, and I'm chopping now the onion. I will continue with the peppers, and I'm cutting them in strips. Dice the garlic cloves. And also the hot pepper. Grind a few cumin seeds, and I'm using the mortar and the pestle to do that, to transform them into a powder. And because I have tomatoes you see here whole pieces, I'm going to chop them up. But if you find the diced one, it's going to be even better. In a pan, I'm going to drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to fry the chicken meat on both sides until it will catch a bit of color. Add now the onions and let them soften a bit. Mix them up, and when you see that they got translucent, add the garlic and the peppers. And also you need to let them get soft. Add now the tomato paste and deglaze the pan with the wine. Let everything boil for a few minutes and combine tastes, and after that you can add the diced tomatoes. And season it with salt, pepper and the cumin powder. Because I really like this dish to be a bit spicy, I added a few slices of that hot pepper that you saw me chop up. I'm adding now some beans and let this just boil for 1 minute. Take it out of the stove and add around 100 grams of grated cheese, the one that you prefer, mozzarella or cheddar. You need some tortillas and split the mixture between those. I had 3 tortillas, so my portion were quite big. I fold them tightly in a roll. Place them in a baking pan. Add on top chopped parsley. I added some chopped fresh tomato, and I will add also some cheese because I still have some of that, and in the oven will melt some hot pepper, and also I will drizzle around 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I will bake this in the preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, and you can serve it warm with sour cream and more hot peppers. It's super tasty, super easy to prepare, and you can make it with whatever you have in the fridge. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, put a smile on your face no matter what, and I'm going to see you here next time.